Hello everyone. So in this section of course, we will be discussing about argument matchers in Mockito. And in this lesson, we'll see what are argument matchers. So the first thing we look is what are argument matchers. But before that, we need to understand that one of the primary benefit of Mockito is the ability to perform stubbing of methods and behavior verification. So for example, the stubbing of methods can be done via when and then return. So here we call the method on the mock dependency and we pass an argument. So here it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And similarly, if we want to do behavior verification, we call verify. We pass in the book repository and we verify that save was called with a particular book. So this is our argument. And we already discussed that Mockito uses equals method to compare the arguments and verify that mock method was called with proper arguments. So friends, here when we do the stubbing like this, so we are telling Mockito that when the system under test method is being called and it internally, if it calls book repository.find book by id with a value of the argument as 1, 2, 3, 4, then only return this book. So how Mockito does this comparison is using the equals method. So whatever you pass to your system under test, a value, and whatever you mock, Mockito simply compares those two stuffs, and if they match, then Mockito returns the stubbed response. So friends, now problem here is this value is a fixed value. Now what if we want to provide something dynamic values here and we don't care about these fixed values? Let's say we want that whatever string goes here, we simply want a book to be returned. So for that, argument matchers came into picture. So these argument matchers are like wildcards where instead of specific input, we can specify a range or a particular type of inputs. So by range we mean that here it's fixed value 1, 2, 3, 4 and here we can provide a particular range that if that particular range is coming, then simply return this book. So there are various methods when we perform argument matching. So for example, instead of using specific string like 1, 2, 3, 4, as you can see here, we can specify any string using the AnyString method. So instead of this fixed value in double quotes, here we can simply call the AnyString method. So here this AnyString is one of the method present in argument matchers class. And when we provide this here and we call our system under test with whatever string we want, when Mockito sees this stuff with any string, it will return the book irrespective of whatever the string you have passed to the system under test. So friends, sometimes argument matchers comes very handy. So in our upcoming lecture, we'll see the different types of argument matchers and we'll see the demonstration of few of those methods present in argument matchers class. I hope you like this video. Thanks, have a nice day.